Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and happy. So, dear students, in this video, we are going to study another chapter, that is chapter number 4, Ecosystem. So, before studying the chapter in detail, you all must know some of the basic terms which are related with this chapter. So, the first term is habitat. So, habitat, it is the place where an organism live. A place where an organism live is known as habitat. So, for example, ocean, forest, desert, grassland, these all are habitats. The habitat, it provides food, shelter and space to live and to reproduce. So, the next term is community. Community refers to a collection of interacting population within the same given area. So, in other words, you can say that when several species of plants and animals, they live in the same habitat, they form a community. As you can observe in this given picture, there are several species of plants as well as animals. They are living in the same habitat and they are forming community. Now the next term is ecology. So ecology is the branch of biology that developed from natural history. Or you can say that it is the study of interactions that take place between organisms and their environment. There is a very close association or interaction between biotic, that is living, and abiotic, that is non-living components of the habitat, and their study, that is the study of interaction, it is referred to as ecology. Then now let us learn about what is ecosystem. So ecosystem is a community of living organisms in a given area or habitat, interacting with each other as well as with their non-living environment such as weather, sun, water, soil, climate and atmosphere. So in this picture you get an idea what is ecosystem. Here you can see that the living organisms such as humans, that is shown here, and the plants, they are interacting with the non-living components of the environment such as weather, sun, water, soil. So ecosystem is basically a community of living organisms which are interacting with each other as well as with their abiotic components. There are three fundamental features of an ecosystem, that is, there is interdependence of biotic and abiotic components on each other, and there is the energy flow in ecosystem, and the third point is there is cycling or exchange of materials between biotic and abiotic components. Now let us learn about the components of ecosystem. So there are two components, that is biotic component and abiotic component. The biotic component consists of producers, consumers and decomposers, and abiotic component consists of inorganic substances, physical factors, climatic factors and edaphic factors. So let us know about the biotic components. The biotic components, first one, if we study about producers, producers, they are the autotrophs or the green plants which are preparing their own food. Next, if we study about consumers, consumers are those which depend directly or indirectly on producers for food. So they may be herbivore, carnivore or omnivores. Then next, if we study about what are decomposers, the decomposers are those organisms that consume or eat dead plants and animals and decomposes them or reduces them into simpler forms of matter. So the primary decomposers, they are fungi and bacteria. These microorganisms, they break down complex organic compounds from the dead and decaying remains of plants and animals and convert them into simple inorganic substances, which are further utilized by producers. So, this is all for today. Take care, everyone.